As a curator, the main things that I do are develop collections, so objects and images and films and interviews relating to the stories of people who migrate to Victoria. I'd love to share with you a very special and poignant object that is in our migration collection. It's a drawing done in 2015 by a young Hazara Afghani girl. Her name is Zahra Jaffari, and it depicts her family's escape from Afghanistan to escape from persecution and make it as far as Indonesia, where they still are today, awaiting acceptance into Australia's refugee program. She's depicted war and people dying as a result of bombs, which is very traumatic imagery for a young girl to be depicting, through to that terrible journey we have here is someone who's being eaten by a shark, as does happen on these journeys. Here's Indonesia here, and then her imaginings of what Australia and life in Australia might be like. She really wants to get here, she wants to be reunited with her brother and to also maybe even become a doctor one day. It's a really interesting drawing too, because it was collected originally by an educator from Melbourne who visits Indonesia, and he met Zahra and her family, and he offered to buy the work from her and offer it to the Immigration Museum, and that's what's happened, and we're so thrilled about it. And Zahra is also really thrilled because she knows that the museum has collected her object, that we will display it at the Immigration Museum one day, and it is already available on our collections online website. So she feels that her story has not been forgotten, that it's not invisible. And this is so important for us to remember that there are potential Australian stories out there about people who desperately want to come here and find safety but are unable to do so.